Hey guys, hi. I am back and आज की वीडियो बहुत छोटी होने वाली है बिकॉज आज मेरे पास ज़्यादा कुछ बोलने के लिए है नहीं बिकॉज आई वॉज आउट होल डे एंड डिड नॉट नो what I was doing and I had many works. So but आज की एक बहुत अच्छी बात शेयर करनी है बिकॉज we have been talking about the Delhi protest from last 2 days. So I was means into it. I was looking everything, and today what they had started this protest that happened today, and the Dharmendra Pradhan, the Education Minister of India, had resigned from his post, and it was such a huge victory for all the opposition, all the Cockroach Janata Party, and all the students who was protesting. And but the thing is that क्या उसके रेजिग्नेशन से चीज़ें सही हो जाएंगी बिकॉज अल्टीमेटली ये एक पूरा सिस्टम है एंड इस सिस्टम को नीचे से बिल्कुल सही करना पड़ेगा और जब तक ये चीज़ें सही नहीं होंगी तब तक भले ही एक मिनिस्टर रिज़ाइन कर दे या फिर कोई उसका एम्प्लॉय रिज़ाइन कर दे उससे चीज़ें नहीं होगा बात होती है सिस्टम से सो इट इज़ माई नॉट आई वोंट से इट्स अ रिक्वेस्ट बट इट इज़ समथिंग appeal from the government and from all the people who are in the decision making power that please try and take decision by not just by like who is okay who should we give but see the outcome first that what this person can bring and what change this person can make because ultimately every person should be appointed on the basis of their credibility and if he can what he can do to improve because ultimately as humans our only motive should be to improve and improve day by day improve in every month improve every year the human life should get better. And if you think, if you see that we have been improving our countries as well, so our trajectory should be towards upwards, not downwards. So it's better just to see which person is better, what that person can bring, and what that person can do good. These are things. So it was a good thing which happened that person resigned, and it was a huge victory for the opposition and the CJP leaders and all the students. बट आई होप कि अब चीज़ें बेटर हों और आज के बाद हमें इन सब चीज़ों की करने की ज़रूरत ना है बिकॉज इट्स नॉट समथिंग विच लुक्स गुड एंड इट्स नॉट समथिंग विच शुड हैपन सो ऑन दैट नोट बाय गाइस गुड नाइट एंड आई होप I'll see you tomorrow. If you guys like my video, please like, comment and share. Thank you. Okay, bye.